How to change iMessage from email to phone number. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can change iMessage from email to phone number. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. Now to change your iMessage from email to your phone number, first locate your settings app. After you find your settings app, head over to settings. After you're on your settings, go to messages. So scroll down all the way, tap on apps, then search for messages. My bad, let's go to messages here. There we go, there's the messages. Tap on it. And after you're here, head over to send and receive. So there we go, send and receive. Now right here you can see your phone number and then your email address. So your email will always be here, but what you'll have to do is just select your phone number. So tap on your phone number and let me just cross that and make sure that the tick option is on the phone number. Now mine is taking a lot of time, so I'll just leave it at that. But that's basically how you can change iMessage from email to phone number. All you have to do is select your phone number. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.